Wouldn't it be great if you could convert an elevation drawing into an estimate without much hassle? Well, you can. In this training, you will learn how to use an underlay image to sketch an exterior elevation. You can estimate an elevation using an underlay to guide you. If you don't know how to import an underlay, check out the Xpert tip on that topic. The key to sketching an elevation is to pretend that the floor of a room is actually the wall of that elevation. Use the Room tool to add a room and dimension the room to match the edges of the underlay image. For a peaked elevation, use the Vertex tool. If there are any areas of the elevation that need to be deducted, use the Reference Area tool. Click on the Reference Area tool and draw an area over the wall opening. To make sure the area is deducted, open the area's properties. In the Behavior section, change the Hole property to Yes. Repeat this process for any openings that need to be deducted. When sketching this way, it's important to remember that you're pretending that the floor of the room is a wall elevation. Once the sketch is complete, the project is ready for line items. In Estimate Items, select the room and then search to find something like metal lath and stucco. Add it to the elevation. Now, the default calculation for stucco is W for the surface area of the walls. Because the walls of the sketch don't represent the wall elevation, the calculation needs to be changed. Enter F, which represents floors, for the calculation to accurately estimate the total for the item. And that's how to sketch and start estimating with a foot plan in Xactimate.